So if you've lost your phone and you want to remove Steam Mobile Authenticator, here's how to do it. First, you want to go to steamcommunity.com and then you want to click on the login link right here at the top. Next, you want to click on help, I can't sign in. And then you want to click on I deleted or lost my Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. Now you want to type your account email address or phone number linked to your account. And then you want to click on the search button. And then click on email and account verification code to your email. Now you want to open up your email and click on resume recovery. And then you will need to select your Steam account. And from here you want to click on remove Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. And then you will need to confirm this action. Now, if you have Steam mobile app installed on your phone, you can use this option to send a confirmation to your phone. Otherwise, you can click on I no longer have access to my Steam Guard mobile authenticator. And it will offer you a second verification method, which is sending a text message to your phone number. So if you still have access to your phone number and you can receive messages, you can use this option right here. Otherwise, you can click on I no longer have access to this phone number or did not receive code. And it will ask you to use another option, which is using the recovery codes that were given to you when you first set up the Steam Guard mobile authenticator. And if you have or remember any of these codes, you can type them here. It usually starts with R. And then you can click on remove the Guard mobile authenticator. Otherwise, you want to click on I lost my authenticator recovery code. And it will bring up this page, which you will need to fill out all of the information you know about your account to make the recovery process easier. Make sure to mention all the details asked for here so that you can recover your account easily, including the current email address and what username of your account you're trying to recover, the first email address used on your account, phone number, and if you have added any CD keys to your account or Steam product keys. And you can attach any receipts here, and then you can send it to Steam, and within 2 days they should respond to you with further instructions on how to basically proceed and sign into your account again with Steam Guard removed. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.